This is the Dermatica evening routine. So I've already made a morning routine video, and in that video I asked a lot of you guys, do you guys want me to make a nighttime routine, evening routine video? And obviously a lot of you guys begged me to make this video. I mean, I think I literally got 0 comments, but I still wanted to make this video. So let's get started. So when it comes to the evening routine, step 1 is cleanse, step 2 is personalized formula, step 3 is moisturize, step 4 is protect. Restoring balm on dry patches. So let's start with the first product. That's the balancing gel cleanser. Alright, so this is the first product that I'm gonna use. So let me let the one pump and let me let the second pump. And this is how the product looks like. So let me massage it on my skin. There we go. And I always like that when I apply this product, it instantly kind of like refreshes my skin because it has this cooling effect. Whilst when it comes to a lot of other cleansers, I haven't had this experience. And it's quite effortless to apply on your skin because it's quite jelly. Whilst when it comes to a lot of other cleansers, they're not as easy to apply on your skin because the cleanser can be made out of charcoal cleanser or it can be made out of any other ingredients. Whilst when it comes to the Dermatica cleanser, that's not the case at all. Just have a look at it. It's extremely effortless and make sure that my skin is clean. So after applying this product, now I'm gonna wash my face with lukewarm water. Alright, so I've just washed my face and let me pat dry it because the next product is going to be my personalized formula. Because every single month I'm getting my personalized formula from Dermatica to help me with what my skin needs right now and for the future. So all I do is to apply on my skin, there we go. Do it on the other side as well. And let me evenly distribute it over my face. There we go. That's it. And if you're someone that also wants to get a personalized formula for your skin, I'll have a special link down below, and if you use the link in the description, I think it only costs like less than £3 for your first month. And this way you exactly know what you need for your skin right now and in the future to get amazing skin. So I would highly recommend you to check it out. And I also have the discount code MEN link down below for 10% off. And the next product is the moisturizer. So when it comes to the Soothing Centella Gel Moisturizer, this is a lightweight moisturizer, whilst when it comes to the Nourishing Ceramide Plus Peptide Moisturizer, this is more of a heavier moisturizer. So when it comes to the Nourishing Ceramide Plus Peptide Moisturizer, I like to use this in winter time when I feel like I need to make sure my skin isn't particularly dry. Whilst when it comes to this one, the Soothing Centella Gel Moisturizer, I prefer it around summertime. But since it's a nighttime routine and I don't feel like I'm gonna go out in the cold, I'm gonna use the Soothing Centella Gel Moisturizer. So let me take it out. There we go. And when it comes to this moisturizer, it's for oily / blemish prone skin. So let me apply on my face. There we go. Do it on the other side as well. And now let me make sure that I evenly distribute it all across my face. Make sure I also do it on my forehead and on my nose. And my face is pretty much moisturized. And step number 4 is the final step, and that's protect. And I'm going to use the restoring balm on dry patches. So let me take it out. And looking at my skin, what are the areas where it's... So whilst looking at my skin, what are the areas where I tend to have more of dry patches relative to the other parts of my skin? Well, for me it's always around this area under my nose. So let me scoop a little bit out and apply it over here. There we go. Do it on the other side as well. And it also tends to be dry just under my lip and this area over here. So let me scoop a little bit more out. There we go. And apply it under here. That's it. And do it on the other side as well. And this is one of my favorite items, and that's why I have one of this in my winter jacket. So whilst I'm at the go, and since it's winter time, when I feel like I've got like a dry patch on my skin, I can just instantly take it out, apply on my skin, and make sure my skin is hydrated. I would highly recommend you to get your personalized skin formula because it's only less than £3 for your first month, and in my opinion, that's a steal. This way you exactly know what your skin needs to make sure it's not only good now, but also in the long term. And that's pretty much the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.